Home organizing projects can be both fun and educational when the family's involved. Now with our new Martha Stewart family-friendly craft paint, available only at Michael's, children 3 and older can get in on the fun. The family-friendly paints include rich satin colors, bold glitter paint, and bright neon paint. A fun way to craft with your kids is to make decorative storage boxes that are actually fun to make, and they'll be enjoyed by your children for several years. So now I'm just putting this beautiful pattern tape right underneath the lid of this craft paper box. And I'll just take it right to the corner, and it can be removed once you paint, leaving a pretty scalloped edge. Very clever. So now remove the top and paint the box. Using the family-friendly paint, this is a pink, you take off the original cap and apply one of our new Pouncer caps. This fits right on the bottle. Now, just squeeze the bottle and look how it's coming right through the foam, like magic. So just pounce all over. And this is a paintbrush as well as a pouncer. So it can be used for stenciling as well as for painting. Here's one that's already been painted. And just remove your pattern tape and look at the clear and beautiful scallop that you've achieved. How pretty is that? And then your top is all painted solid color, and you can get all these beautiful cardboard letters, paint them different colors, and make sure you have a box of each color, and a child can then pick up just all the orange letters, all the green, the red, and the blue. So these boxes are great for creating fun games for your children. So now, to help get your children organized, we're going to make a weekly chore chart, which will list not only their daily chores, but even to-do things and some reminders. This is one of our stencils. It's a weekly to-do list. It is now affixed to the chalkboard surface. You can tape it down for safety's sake with our stencil tape. Just make sure so it won't move and go anywhere. Oh yes, you don't want it to lift up before it dries. Secure now. So we're going to use one of our new foam tipped applicators. Pounce all over your stencil. This paint was created to provide a rich mommy and me experience for crafty moms while maintaining the premium quality product I demand in all my lines. We have one that's already dry, and just release the tape and the stencil, which is reusable, by the way. And right on here, Mondays, take homework. Make bed. What we're trying to do is make crafting with your children the most fun it's ever been.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.